Hello students, welcome back to Brainbrusher. In the previous class, we had covered the definition of cost, variable cost, fixed cost and total cost. In this class, we are going to cover the definition of average variable cost, average fixed cost, marginal cost and their relationship along with the diagrams. Now let's start with the new chapter. Average variable cost. Average variable cost is the per unit cost of variable cost. Average variable cost is per unit output of variable cost. It is per unit output of variable cost. So AVC equal to total variable cost upon my output. Average variable cost equal to total variable cost divided by Q, or average variable cost equal to average cost minus average fixed cost. We can calculate the average variable cost equal to simply the total variable cost divided by the output. Q means output, or average cost minus average fixed cost equal to average cost. Average cost is per unit variable cost of output and it is in U-shaped curve. Average variable cost is in U-shaped curve, ABC. In the y-axis output, in the y-axis cost, average variable cost, and the x-axis it is output. So the average cost as the output increase, initially average variable cost is continuously fall, reaching the lowest point and then start to rise. So average variable cost in U-shaped curve. Initially fall, reaching the lower point and now start to rise. Now question is, why the average variable cost in U-shape? Average variable cost in U-shape due to law of variable proportion. When the production increase with the diminishing rate, when the production increase with the increasing rate, then average variable cost is fall. And when the production increase with the diminishing rate, it is lowest. And when the average variable production is start to fall, then average variable cost start to rise. So average variable cost is simply the due to the law of variable proportion. It is in the U shape. Next is the average fixed cost. Average fixed cost is per unit fixed cost of output. Average fixed cost. It is AFC. Is per unit cost of fixed cost. It is downward slope from left to right. AFC is downward slope from left to right. This way. AFC. AFC is initially fall sharply, then start to slower and now slower. So AFC is a downward slope rectangle hyperbola from left to right. It is the rectangle hyperbola from left to right. It is a downward slope from left to right. This is your output and this is your average fixed cost. So AFC equal to total fixed cost simply divided by the output, or AFC equal to total average cost minus total variable cost. So you can calculate the average cost simply divide by the total fixed cost divided by output, or average cost minus average variable. Total average cost minus average variable cost. Not total variable cost, average variable cost. So AFC equal to total fixed cost divided by output, or AFC equal to average cost, total average cost minus average variable cost. It is the rectangle hyperbola downward slope from left to right. AFC never tangent to the x-axis. AFC never tangent to the x-axis because TFC never be 0. AFC never tangent to the x-axis because TFC never be 0 in the short run. Next is the average cost. Average cost is the per unit cost of output. Average cost, AC, or also called total average cost. AC equal to per unit cost of output. So how to calculate AC? AC equal to TC divided by Q. Average cost equal to total cost divided by output, or average cost equal to average fixed cost plus average variable cost. Now, average cost is also in U-shaped curve. Average cost is also in U-shaped curve, AC. AC actually the summation of the AFC and ABC. How come? See, this is your AFC. This is AFC. Okay? And this is AC. This is AC. Initially, both AFC and ABC fall. AFC continues to fall because as the output increases, AFC continuously fall. Why? Because a total fixed cost is always something in the short run. As the output increases, AFC continuously fall. While in the ABC initially fall, reaching lower, then start to rise due to the law of variable proportion. This is ABC. This is ABC. And AC summation of AFC and ABC. So AC is what? AC is summation of AFC and ABC. This is your AC. AC is a initially fall, reaching lowest, then start to rise. So AC is a summation of ABC and AFC, right? AC and ABC never tangent to the each other. Why? The difference between the AFC and ABC and AC is the AFC. ABC never tangent to the AC curve. Although the gap is narrower, but ABC never tangent to the AC because the difference of the AC and ABC is AFC, and AFC never be 0. Next is the marginal cost. What is marginal cost? Marginal means simply the addition. Marginal simply means the addition, and cost is the cost. So marginal cost or MC is the addition in total cost due to one more unit of output produced. This is MC, means marginal cost, simply the addition of in total cost due to one more unit of output produced. So how to calculate MC? MC equal to total cost n minus total cost n minus 1, or you simply calculate MC equal to TVC n minus TVC n minus 1, or simply MC equal to delta total cost, means change in total cost, delta means change in total cost upon में delta output, or simply can say, or we can say change in cost upon में change in output. Change in output. So we simply calculate the marginal cost total cost n minus total cost n minus 1, or total variable cost n minus total variable cost n minus 1, or simply the change in total cost upon में change in output, or simply can say the change in total variable cost upon a change in total output, or change in total variable cost upon में change in output. We can, either the way you can calculate the marginal cost. So what is marginal cost? Marginal cost is addition in total cost due to one more unit of output is produced. Remember, marginal cost is the affected due to the change in the variable cost alone. Marginal means the changes, and fixed cost remain unchanged in the all the level of output produced in the short run. Marginal cost is addition in total cost, and fixed costs do not have any addition in the short run. It is remain same. Addition in what? Addition in the variable cost alone. So the marginal cost is the changes in the variable cost alone. So marginal cost is the affected by the variable cost alone. The marginal cost is also is in U shape. In the diagrammatically, marginal cost is also in U shape. In the diagram, we can say this is the marginal cost. MC, like the average variable cost and average cost, MC also is in U shape. This is your marginal cost, and this is output. It is in U axis. In the x axis is output, and this is marginal cost. Say this is your output, and this is your cost, TC. So how do you calculate marginal cost? Say when the output is say 0, 1, 2, 3. When the output is 0, total cost is 10, 18. Okay. So when the output 0, your marginal cost is, it will always be dash, because when the output is 0, marginal cost is not 0, it is dash. Now when the output is 1, when the output 0, total cost equal to what? Total cost equal to the fixed cost. When the output is 1, your total cost is now 18. So marginal cost is what? Addition. So it is, marginal cost is how much? 8. How to calculate? 18 minus 10. Now next, when the output is 2, now the total cost is 24. 24 minus 8 is 6. 24 minus 18. Next, again 6. 30 minus 24. And now is 10. 40 minus 30. So this way we calculate the marginal cost. So initially the output increase, the marginal cost is fall. Marginal cost is fall. Reaching their lowest, then start to rise. Why? Because the marginal cost is the directly affected by the variable cost. When the variable cost is fall, marginal cost also fall. When the variable cost low, marginal cost also low. When the marginal average variable cost rise, marginal cost also rise. But remember, the marginal cost is fall sharply than the average cost, average variable also, and similarly the rising also. Now, the relation between the marginal cost, average cost, and average variable cost. Relation between marginal cost, average cost, and average variable cost. Relation between average cost, average variable cost, and marginal cost. This is very, very important. See, in the x-axis output, in the y-axis, we take the MC, AC, and ABC. Now, ABC is U-shaped curve. Average variable cost is U-shaped curve. Average cost is also U-shaped curve. This is AC, and this is MC. This is MC, marginal cost. This is marginal cost. Okay. Now, the marginal cost, initially when the average variable cost is fall, marginal cost also fall, and average cost also fall. Means all the three costs are initially fall. Now you see that the at this point, say point is point A. This is your output. In the y-axis we take this, and the cost, and the x-axis we take the output. So this is your output. See, at the point of A, we see that the marginal cost is lowest. At this point, marginal cost is lowest. See, here, marginal cost lowest. Now marginal cost start to rise while the average variable cost continuously fall. At the point of B, Here the average variable cost is lowest. It means the marginal cost tangent the average cost at their lowest point. I have first the relation between the marginal cost and average variable cost. When the variable cost is fall, marginal cost also fall. When the average variable cost fall, marginal cost also fall. Second, marginal cost intersect average variable cost at their lowest point. Second relation, when the marginal cost is rise, average variable cost also rise. Or I can say when the average variable cost rise, marginal cost also rise. Right? Okay. So first is the relation between marginal cost and average variable cost. The relation between marginal cost and average variable cost. MC and ABC. The first point is the when ABC fall, MC also fall. When ABC fall, MC also fall. Second, when ABC rise, MC also rise. When ABC rise from the point B onward, when the ABC rise, MC also rise. But MC more than ABC. In the first point, when ABC fall, MC also fall. But MC less than ABC. So in the first point, when the ABC fall, MC also fall. But MC less than ABC. Second, when ABC rise, MC also rise. But now this point the MC is more than ABC. Third, MC cut or intersect ABC at its lowest point or at the point of intersect both MC and ABC are equal at the point of B where the MC cut ABC this point both are equal. And the fourth point MC start to rise even ABC fall. Remember ABC fall till MC equal to ABC. So these are the 4 points we have to remember. These are 4 relation for MC and ABC. When ABC fall, this one here. When the ABC fall, MC also fall. But at this point, MC less than ABC. Second is the when the ABC rise, MC also rise. But here the MC more than ABC. Third point, MC cut ABC at their lowest point. Point B. MC at this point, MC and ABC are equal. And the fourth point, MC start to rise. You can see that at the point of B, MC start to rise. From here, MC start to rise. But ABC still fall. It means at this point, MC start to rise, ABC is fall. It means ABC continues fall until the MC equal to ABC. Now the next relation between MC and AC. MC and AC. Relation between MC and AC. Okay, I'm here. I'm reviewing the ABC simply due to the any confusion. No more any confusion. Now relation between MC and AC. Now MC and AC. The MC and AC is also the same relation as the MC and ABC. Now see when the ABC fall, MC also fall. When the AC fall, MC also fall. AC fall, MC fall. But MC less than AC. MC less than AC. The first relation. Second, when the AC rise, MC also rise. But this time MC more than AC. Means this is the same relation again. When the AC rise, MC also rise, but this time the MC more than AC. Okay. The third point, MC intersect AC at their lowest point. MC cut AC at its lowest point. The point is C. Point C. And the fourth one is the MC start to rise. MC start to rise from A onward, while the AC is continuous fall till the point C. MC start to rise, even the AC fall. So we can say the AC fall till the MC equal to AC. It means the MC and AC relation are same as the MC and ABC relation. Now taken a numerical example. Take a numerical example. So this is output and this is cost. Output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the cost is okay. What you have to calculate? We have to calculate the MC, AC, ABC, AFC, ATC, all. So now solution is this is your output, this is your cost. Output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and cost is given is 10, 18, 24, 30, 38 and 40. Okay, this is 50. This is 50 and this is it. Okay, this will remain 38. Okay. Now we have to calculate what? We have to calculate TFC, TVC, AFC, ABC, AC and MC. We have to calculate all the cost. Now first, when the output 0 and total cost is 10. When the output 0, at 0 output there is no variable cost. It means total cost equals summation of variable cost and fixed cost. Because output 0 and the cost is 10, it means the cost is equal to what? It is equal to fixed cost. Remember, in the short run, when there is output is 0 and there is cost, it means the cost equal to total fixed cost because at the 0 level output, there is a no variable cost. Because total fixed costs are remain fixed at the all level of output, it means AFC is remain fixed at all level of output. Say this remain fixed. Okay. Now we have cost, we have the total fixed cost. So total variable cost equal to what? TVC equal to TC or cost, or we can say total cost. Cost or total cost is the same thing. Okay. So cost, so TVC equal to what? TVC equal to total cost minus total fixed cost. This is what? This is total cost. Okay. This is total cost. This is total cost. Okay. So total cost minus total fixed cost equal to what? Total variable cost. Output 0, 10 minus 10 is 0, 18 minus 10 is 8, this is 14, this is 30, this is 20, this is 28 and this is 40. Now AFC. AFC is what? AFC equal to total fixed cost divided by output. AFC equal to total fixed cost divided by output. Total fixed cost and output 0, definitely is infinity. 10, 10 divided 2, 5. 10 divided 3, 10 divided 4, 2.5. 10 divided by 5, 2. It means as the output is increased, AFC continuously fall. Now, ABC. ABC what? Total variable cost divided by output. ABC equal to what? ABC equal to total variable cost divided by output. Total variable cost divided by output. Definitely is 0 or nothing, or you can say simply this. So, when the total variable cost is 8 and output is 1. 8. 14, 2. 7. 23. 6.67. 28 divided by 4. 7. 40 divided by 8. 5. 8. It means ABC initially fall, reaching lowest, then start to rise. It is in a U-shaped curve. Now average cost. Average cost nothing, simply the summation of the AFC and ABC, or you can say the AC equal to total cost divided by output. So you can say dash. AC equal to what? AC equal to AFC plus ABC. AFC plus ABC, AFC, ABC. Summation of this 18, 9.5, 10. Okay, AC is also fall, fall. AC fall, then rise. Average cost fall, then rise. Lowest, reaching lowest point and then start to rise. It means AC is also in U shape, but AC is falling slower rate and also rising also in slower rate. Now marginal cost. When output zero, marginal cost is dash. Is never you do not write zero here. Zero means a wrong. Okay. When the output zero, you do not write the here zero. Simply the dash. When the marginal cost means what? MC equal to what? MC equal to TC n minus TC n minus 1. So simply 10, 18 minus 10 is 8. 24 minus 18, 6. 30 minus 24, 6, 8. And this is 12. So MC is fall, reaching lowest, then start to rise. Okay. I hope you understand. You clear these all the concept. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. Please subscribe and like this channel. If you are new in this channel, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this channel. Have a nice day.